Hello, I'm Ashish Acharya, MIT182618. Today I'm going to show you a brief presentation about the use of a tool named Pursuit. This presentation is an assignment of BN200, that is Network Security Fundamentals, of Melbourne Institute of Technology, Sydney. My tutors are Aigan Mutalimova and Mr. Wanath Kumar, and this video is circled around Pursuit. In this video, the major objective is about the brief discussion of the Pursuit Network Security Tool. What is Pursuit Security Tool? How to set it up in different web browsers like Mozilla Firefox. How to hijack proxy by setting up target in Pursuit, and the different tasks that are done by Pursuit, which includes data interception, intruding, spidering, proxy hijacking. Also, through this video, I'm going to show about the outcomes that we get by the use of Pursuit. So here we go. In the first part of the video, we'll download the Pursuit. So let's download it. Through this link. We'll download the Pursuit for Windows. As I already have the application, I'm not going to download it again. After the downloading and the installation of Pursuit, we'll open the app. So here we go. After the app has been opened, let us discuss what actually Pursuit is. Pursuit is a network security tool that identifies the web vulnerability of the website. Through this app, we can target websites, users, different hosts, different proxy addresses, and also we can spider. We can check what they are using, which sites, with what IPs, what parameters, what ports, and many other things. It also helps us to spider in what they are doing. We can check what they are doing as well as we can attack them. The users can be attacked and they can be encoded, they can be decoded, and the data can be stealed as well. So in other terms, it is a kind of session hijacking done by the user. So let us start Pursuit. At first, we open the Mozilla Firefox. Then we go to the open menu. We go to options. We'll scroll it down to the configuring network settings. After configuring, we'll put it in manual proxy configuration and we'll set the HTTP proxy at 127.0.0.1 and set the proxy to 8080, and we'll check mark on this, use this proxy server for all protocols. Also, we'll put the same proxy, that is 127.0.0.1 in this part, and then check mark on use default. So after pressing OK, we'll go to the Pursuit. Here in the Pursuit, we'll press next and we'll start burping. So here is the starting of our project. Here in the front page of Pursuit, we can clearly see the target, the proxy, the spider, the scanner, the intruder, the repeater, the sequencer, the decoder, comparer, extender, project options, user options, and alerts. So at first we start through proxy. This part is the proxy which we obtained from Mozilla Firefox. So here we can see whenever we start, let's suppose youtube.com. Here it doesn't opens. The main reason we are not opening up this site is the interception. Due to the interception of the proxy, due to the interception of the website by Pursuit, here the proxy is intercepted, so can't open. So when we turn off the intercept, surprisingly we can see that youtube.com is fine with that point. So this is one of the major tasks of Pursuit, where it intercepts the data transmission between the website, the user, and the internet. So the other part of the proxy is here. where we can see the history, the HTTP history. Here you can clearly see that youtube.com has been opened with its URL, its method, its status, its length, its MIME type, its extension, its SSL, as well as its IP address. Similarly, if we open another site, let's suppose Wikipedia. So if we open Wikipedia, we can again come here and see that in the host Wikipedia has been opened. And clicking it, we can see that the information about the host, that is the Wikipedia, the user agent, which is definitely Mozilla Firefox, the text, the acceptance where it has text, HTML, applications and different other things, the language, that is US, and the coding. So it can show what's the connection status, that is close, and the cookie and the requests and many other things. So we can also check the parameters, the headers, the hex, the responses and many other things. Here the other part we can see is about the WebSockets history. Here the length of the WebSockets, the time elapsed and the port of the listener. So here we go. The next part we do is spider. What is spidering? Spidering means the opening of further links given in a website. Whenever we open a website, let's suppose youtube.com, let's suppose we open this video. Here we can see following different links like all of these. So this is what spidering is. So if we go back to our browser and then go to this youtube.com and spider from here, it will be this way and here. So here we are spidering it. So here spider is running. There are 4 request mates. There are 6 to 60 bytes transferred, and the requests which are queued as well as the forms that are queued can also be seen here. The other part of Pursuit is the scanner. This scanner scans for different types of vulnerabilities without any additional request. Since this is a pro feature, we cannot use it in this edition as it is community edition. But with the help of scanner, we can get real-time feedback with different type of additional features. The other one is the intruder one. So we can do this again through here. In the option, when you click to send to intruder, it sends it to the intruder. And here the attack target has been set, the host has been set, and the port is given along with HTTPS. When we start attack, here's error shown. This is shown because of the community edition. We need to buy the professional edition, which is provided by Pursuit, but we need to pay some bucks here. So the other options include repeater, the sequencer, the decoder, the comparer, the extender, the project options, the user options, as well as the alerts. Though all of these are not necessary in this video as they are for professional level, we explain about the basic tasks done, that is the setting of the target, the host address, the languages, the different details given by it, the proxy, which definitely is a big thing, what the user has been using, what's his SSL IP, what's its length, and many other things. The spidering, that is definitely what are the requests made by the spider and what are the number of bytes transferred, and the scanner, as well as the intruder through which we can attack the target. So this is what the Pursuit generally does. So after the use of Pursuit for a few minutes, we come to a summary, or in other words, the conclusion. Conclusion is it is a useful tool which is used to test the vulnerability in a website. Another one, it has a large number of tools with varieties of functions. The first one includes target. The target contains information about the applications and the testing of vulnerabilities. The proxy is the middle one, the wall between the browser and the web application. The intruder is another tool which is very useful in carrying out automated customized attacks against applications. The repeater The repeater is a tool for manually manipulating and reissuing individual HTTP requests and analyzing the application's responses. The sequencer is a sophisticated tool for analyzing quality of randomness in an application's tokens or other important data that are definitely unpredictable. The decoder is another app which is used for intelligent decoding and encoding of application data. So this ends the video. Hope you got some information about the Burp Suite network security tool. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support.